Hey, what's up, Shiba holder? My brother, Shiba is completely fails down from last 1 month, my brother, and holders doing one big mistake in the last day of this month, my brother. Try to understand that this is the last day of this month, and absolutely, if you are doing this mistake, exactly, my brother, you are completely in the loss. You know why? What's the reason to you are in the loss? The reason is that, my brothers, is true because all cryptocurrencies fails down, not just unique Shiba Inu, my brother. All cryptocurrencies fails down, and Shiba Inu, as my brother, especially in this time, also fails down. You can see here if we check out the last 1 hour chart, then we see, my brother, you can see here minus 1.68%. Just in only in the last of month, every cryptocurrency is moving up like a rocket. But definitely, my brothers, you know why they fails down and what's the reason? I tell you, I explain, my brother. You can see here Shiba Inu is completely fails down just in only in the last 1 hour, also, my brother. Not just unique, my brother, last 24-hour chart, not just unique, my brother. You can see here the last 3 months chart. Absolutely, you can see, my brother, just in only, my brother, in the last 24 hours, you can see they take a short jump, but after that they again falls down. You can see here, so the average come again now into zero, my brother. So it's mean to they cannot give you a profit, my brother. And if you can see here, my friend, this chart is completely gonna be very bad now, and absolutely they are in the gone, they are gone in the loss now. So try to understand holders, don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope the for Shiba Inu price is going to be very fastly increased now, and they will give you very good profit now. So Shiba Inu holder, please like this video and subscribe this channel. In upcoming time there is more chances they will move upward, so you need to hold and wait for a good time. Don't sell it today. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.